Big data and AI are part of our lives every day. Every day, if you use Google Maps or Waze, if you browse Netflix and watch some TV shows, if you use Amazon website with recommendation, it will use big data. They will grab a lot of information and use it efficiently for improving your experience. It's also true in healthcare, banking, or whatever. All sectors are using today big data and AI, and always with the same concept. First, you have data. Two kinds of data, we will say. The data at rest, data will not move, like CSV file, like a database dump, or data in motion. For example, a Twitter feed, statistic from your website, Instagram photos. You take all this data and you need to collect your data inside a data lake. A data lake is a space where you can push data, heterogeneous data, videos, pictures, files, whatever, and you will perform massive operations on this data lake. For performing massive operation, you will need power and software. The most well-known software for that is called Apache Hadoop. And of course, you can also perform AI operations. Once you want to have some insight, you will need to connect other tools to have, for example, dashboard visualization such as Click, DataIQ, Tableau. And doing that, you will have better understanding, better decisions, better user experience. So you collect, you store, you analyze and exploit data. If you have only 1 gigabyte, 1 terabyte of data, this is not big data, it's just project. You need, of course, to have massive information to be considered as big data. On the here we'll see a use case. It's a customer from OVH called Publicis Groupe. It's a famous advertisement company in the world, and they do data-driven marketing. They collect massively Instagram feeds, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube stuff, topics, page, scene, interest. They push everything inside OVH, inside a big data cluster, and they perform intensive operations, such as removing useless data, because the more you store, the more it will be costly for you. They will aggregate per customer, they will split per country, they will in fact clean and enrich their data. They also perform some machine learning options. For example, they will learn some pattern. First you start with Instagram, then YouTube, then you go on Twitter. They will extract text from videos, recognize objects in images with machine learning. And once it's done, they will be able to bring some efficiency. Better ad targeting, better ROI understanding, better reporting, and at the end, happier customers.